This is Jess from jesshuff.com. In this video, I'll show you how to attach the legs as you're crocheting the body of my free Amigurumi crochet pattern, Dan the Dinosaur. At this point, you should have 2 completed legs ready to attach. You should also have the head and body of your dinosaur crocheted to the end of round 38. In rounds 39 and 40, we'll be attaching the legs. To start round 39, single crochet in the first 48 stitches. We'll be attaching the first leg in the last 6 stitches of the round. 1, 2, 3, 46, 47, 48. Align the top of the leg with the remaining 6 stitches of the round. Make sure the toes are facing the same direction as the face. Insert your hook through the first slip stitch on the top of the leg, then through the next stitch of the round on the body. Complete a single crochet. Repeat this process all the way across the top of the leg. This is the end of round 39. At the end of the round, you should have 54 stitches. To start round 40, single crochet in the first 18 stitches of the round. Align the top of the second leg with the next 6 stitches of the round, and again make sure the toes are facing the same direction as the face. Attach this leg using the same method as the first. To complete the round, single crochet in the 30 remaining stitches. At the end of the round, you should have 54 stitches. It may look a little crazy at this stage, but I promise it will come together as you complete the pattern. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll be notified about my future crochet tutorials. Thanks for watching!